Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to deactivate Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook application. When you get into your account, tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner. Now, from menu, go into settings from the top right corner, or you can go to settings from settings and privacy. Then, from settings, tap on account center. After that, click on the personal details option. And from personal details, tap on account ownership and control. Now tap on the deactivation or deletion option. Then choose the account you want to deactivate. After that, choose the deactivate account option and hit the continue button. To complete the process, enter your account password and hit the continue button. If you enjoyed this video, and share your comments or questions below.